Good morning, sir. Myself, Y. Vasundhara from 2nd CSC. Today's my topic is about domain of protection. Firstly, we'll discuss outline of this presentation. Introduction to domain of protection, definition of domain, purpose of domain of protection, components of a domain, types of domains, access control mechanism, role of operating system, implementation of domains, challenges in domain protection, case studies, future trends, conclusion. Firstly, introduction to domain of protection. The domain of protection refers to a set of objects and the operators that can be performed on them. It plays a crucial role in ensuring system security and resource management. Understanding these concepts helps in grasping how operating system enforce security policies. Definition of domain. A domain is a collection of resources including processes, files and devices. Each domain has specific permissions detecting with what actions can be performed. This structure helps in isolating the protection resources from unauthorized access. Purpose of domain of protection. The primary purpose is to restrict access to system resources based on permissions. It prevents unauthorized users from interfering with or damaging system resources. Domains also helps manage users' identities and their corresponding access rights. Components of a domain. A domain consists of subjects, objects, and the access right associated with them. Subjects represent users to process, while objects are the resources being protected. Access rights define the operations that subjects can perform an object. Types of domains. There are two main types of domains, user domains and kernel domains. User domains are associated with individual user processes while kernel domains handle system level resources. This distinction helps in managing permission effectively across defining types of operation. Artificial superintelligence, an intelligence that is much smarter than best human brain in every field. Artificial general intelligence refers to a computer as smart as human. Artificial narrow intelligence specialized in one area and solve one problem. Access control mechanism. Access control list ACLS are commonly used to define permissions for each object. Capabilities are token or keys that grant a subject specific rights to an object. These mechanisms establish a framework for enforcing the domains of protection. Role of the operating system. The operating system enforces domain protection through its security policies. It monitors access requests and checks them against defined permissions. This enforcement is crucial in maintaining the integrity and confidentiality of data. Implementation of domains. Domains can be implemented using various models such as Bell-LaPadula model. These models define how information flows between subjects and objects. Implementation can vary based on the specific security needs of the operating system. Challenges in domain protection. One challenge is ensuring that access control mechanisms are robust against breaches. Another issue is the complexity of managing permissions in large systems. Additionally, balancing usability with security can be difficult in domain management. Case studies. Case studies in operating system illustrate the practical application of domain protection. For example, Unix employs a user or group permission model for domain management. Windows uses ACLS extensively to manage access right across its domains. Future trends. Emerging trends includes the integration of machine learning for dynamic access control. The use of cloud computing raises new consideration for domain protection strategies. Continuous advancements in security protocol will shape the future of domain protection. AI generatively overlap AI and IoT, augmented intelligence, transparency, composite AI, or algorithmic decision making, no code tools, cognitive analytic, virtual assistants, wearable devices, data security and regulation, natural language processing, AI and machine learning. These are the machine learning trends. Conclusion. The domain of protection is a vital concept in operating system for securing resources. Understanding its components and mechanism is essential for effective system administration. Ongoing developments in technology will continue to evolve the strategies employed in domain protection. Thank you.